Alright, walk us through what we accomplished.
What did we accomplish this weekend? Well, we got this light working.
Mm-hmm.
That took way longer than it should have. But we were working under suboptimal conditions the
That's
first night. Moved a lot of tools into here. Got that door open. Cleared pretty much everything that we know what to do with right now out of this little tiny bedroom.
Yeah. We have to dispose of these mattresses still.
Yeah, we don't know where the mattresses go yet. That's the thing we have to figure out.
We started bringing in tools from...
So, crates of things, boxes of things, felt sander.
So, as we need to fix things, we will have the ability to do so. Did you want to go that way? No. Got us distracted.
Found an old motor.
Mostly, yeah, we've been
A lot
clearing
of things
out.
from the bathroom. Not quite done yet. Still have the closet to do, and we don't know what's in these drawers yet. But we made a lot of progress in here. Found another sewing machine. Actually, two, because there's one on that table. Moved / cleared out a lot of stuff from the living room. Didn't throw home to wash. Emptied the closet.
Should you show them the cool buttons we found?
Yeah.
Bring them up here to the light.
These should look familiar to anybody who had a computer circa 1997.
Other things that we found were useful. We found a lot of the old, like, a lot of the manuals for things around. And then we found the plans for the septic system. So this was dated 1973. So we've got an image of the house here, and then it looks like a septic tank behind that, and then straight back distribution box, and then the disposal field.
40 feet behind the house somewhere.
Kitchen. We didn't really do much in the kitchen. I guess we can turn that hideous light on.
Yeah, we
Oof.
didn't really. Well, we started with the window.
Yes.
But glass didn't cut properly, so that's still in progress.
But at least we have a clear cover now instead of a no
Posted
trespassing, yeah. This is some of the trash we are getting rid of. The tires are not trash we found here. Those were tires because we just got new tires put on the truck.
Thanks, Mom.
So that we can haul things back and forth. And so yeah, we've got some trash that needs to go. We're gonna take that back to Arlington and put it out the street there because we don't have trash service here. This is our mailbox setup that we made to temporarily hold our mailbox until we get a post digger and a proper post. So we just found some bricks in the basement, found the old mailbox, put some bricks in the mailbox to make sure it doesn't fall over, hopefully, and redid the letters in some silver Sharpie. So now, hopefully, when the UPS guy comes with our internet cable stuff, he knows that somebody lives here again. And I think that's it, right?
And this is the house without curtains.
Yes, this is the house at night
See right in there.
without the curtains. Look at all the fingerprints on that window. We took down the numbers so that we can polish them up and make them look nice. The ones above, the ones that are temporarily jammed into there right now. Yeah. And I think that's all we accomplished on our first weekend here, but I think it's pretty good considering. Anything else?
I think that's pretty much it.
Okay.